Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Cafe. Today's common phrase of the day is hornet's nest. Hornet's nest. So a hornet's nest is a phrase used to describe a dangerous or difficult situation, especially one full of anger, trouble, or conflict. If you stir up a hornet's nest, you've caused a lot of problems, often by saying or doing something that upsets people. So think of it this way. If you poke a real hornet's nest, angry hornets come out. It's chaos. So when you stir up a hornet's nest in life, you've caused a lot of problems. So here are some practice sentences for you guys. By criticizing the team's coach, she stirred up a real hornet's nest. Talking about politics at the family dinner table is like stepping into a hornet's nest. He didn't realize his comments would create a hornet's nest of angry reactions. So give it a try. You can use this in writing. You can use this in conversation. And you are sure to hear it in movies and TV shows. So give it a try. Let us know what you think of the common phrase of the day, hornet's nest. Is it useful or not? Thank you very much, guys, for joining us. Like and subscribe. We love your company. Bye.